Welcome back to our breaking update. Speaking at an event in Mauritius, Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai has reflected on his judgment on bulldozer justice, where he says that India is governed by the rule of law and not by bulldozers. And the CJI, who's on a 3-day official visit to Mauritius, was delivering this inaugural Sir Maurice Roald Memorial Lecture on the subject of rule of law in largest democracy. Now, Harish, good morning. As far as CJI is concerned, he's drawn a distinction between just and unjust law, where he's been citing Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. And he says, especially when it comes to laying down the guidelines of demolition of dwelling units, that sent out a clear message that the Indian legal system is governed by the rule of law, not by the rule of the bulldozer.
Yes, good morning, Amita. As you rightly said, it has been one of the biggest judgments delivered by the Chief Justice B.R. Gavai, who will demit office next month. He said, while speaking in Mauritius, that my judgment restraining authorities from illegally raising properties of accused persons even before they were held guilty had sent a very clear message that Indian legal system is governed by the rule of law, not by the rule of the bulldozer. In fact, he went on to say, it was further held by me that the executive cannot assume the role of a judge, jury, and executioner simultaneously. Guidelines were thus laid down to ensure that no demolition may take place in the future without strictly following the established legal procedures. And as you rightly said, Chief Justice is on a 3-day official visit to Mauritius. He was delivering the inaugural Sir Maurice Roald Memorial Lecture on the subject of rule of law. He said that in this case, petitions were brought before the court raising serious concerns about the executive bulldozing the homes of accused persons even before they were found guilty under the pretext of alleged violation of municipal laws. The petition highlighted the urgent need to balance administrative enforcement with the fundamental rights of the individuals and principle of fairness, due process, and the rule of law. And therefore, we upheld the rule of law. And the Chief Justice is very clearly saying that in general parlance, the rule of law is often contrasted with rule of people or rule by law. In its simplest terms, rule of law means the rulers do not rule by law, but are themselves subject to the law. Back to you.
All right, because in this very judgment in bulldozer justice case, the apex court had held that the demolition of the houses of accused in response to alleged offences bypasses legal processes and it violates the rule of law and infringes upon the fundamental right to shelter under Article 21. Now, this itself is now being questioned on part of the bulldozer justice action by opposition parties in Uttar Pradesh. Let's put out what IP Singh has said, and this has been translated as far as when it comes to bulldozer action is concerned, saying that the Chief Justice of India held a mirror to the Modi-Yodi government in Mauritius. There is no place for bulldozer action in a democratic country like India. This is Taliban-like mindset, and His Excellency the President should intervene to save the Constitution. The Chief Justice of India, Shri B.R. Gavai, said that there is no place for bulldozer action, and the Chief Justice said that the Indian judicial system operates under the rule of law and there is no place for bulldozer action on it. And the CJI was speaking at the Sir Maurice Roald Memorial Lecture in 2025 in Mauritius, and he says that the recent Supreme Court decision has clarified that using a bulldozer against an accused person violates the due process of law, where he says that the government cannot simultaneously be the judge, jury, and the executioner. And this bulldozer justice that violates Article 21 of the Constitution, which is the right for protection of life and personal liberty, and satisfaction with the order against bulldozer action. And this is something that has now been pointed out by the leaders of the Samajwadi Party, saying that this seems to be an eye-opener, especially when it comes to the ruling state government, which is of the BJP of Yogi Adityanath in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Let's